defense attorney told me this was the stupidest case he'd ever heard, but my client died in this nursing home's care, and so I took it very seriously. My name is David Price, and I'm a personal injury attorney here in Greenville, South Carolina. During the course of my practice, I've had the privilege of representing multiple people who were victims of neglect when they were in nursing homes. In this particular case, my client had fallen 5 or 6 times during the period of 1 month, and the 6th time she fell, she broke multiple bones in her body and she ultimately died. Our nursing home expert told her that the falls were happening because the client was not being taken to the bathroom often enough, and so she was getting up to take herself to the toilet when she was not able to do that safely. After my expert's deposition, the defense attorney for the nursing home told me that it was the stupidest case he'd ever heard. What he did not know, though, is that we had taken the steps of subpoenaing audits from Medicare and Medicaid, which they perform every year on nursing homes that accept Medicare money. In this particular case, the nursing home had been audited just a few months before my client fell, and the auditors had determined that the nursing home had multiple patients who were not being toileted often enough, and many of whom were suffering a series of preventable falls by trying to take themselves to the toilet. The nursing home administrator in this case had acknowledged to the auditors that they were aware of the problem and were actively taking steps to prevent this from happening. In my client's case, however, they did not take any steps, and she ultimately died. The shameful thing about nursing home neglect is that the people in nursing homes are our most vulnerable population, and we send them there so they can receive the care they need to live out their final days with dignity. Sometimes patients die in nursing homes and no one ever takes the time to determine whether their deaths could have been prevented. Because we obtained and read through thousands of pages of documents, we were able to determine that my client's death could have been prevented, and we were able to obtain a substantial 6-figure recovery for her family. Hopefully, we were also able to change the practices at this particular nursing home. If you or a loved one have been the victim of nursing home neglect or abuse in South Carolina, then I would encourage you to call me today. My phone number is 864-271-2636, or visit my website at greenvillelegal.com. I promise you that here at David R. Price Jr. PA, we'll give you and your family the personal, dedicated representation that you deserve.